Hello everyone, this is Ruchi here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you how I have altered this empty box into a beautiful treasure box. You can use it as a gift box or just decorate your corner table with this piece. Or just use it for putting your small jewelry object in that. Possibilities are endless. I chose Prima papers for this box. First, I have applied Prima white gesso on the box edges. You can add water in the gesso for diluting it a bit. It dries quickly and won't take much time. If you are not satisfied with the one coat of gesso, you can apply double coat. I have distressed all the papers with my distress tool and then applied walnut stain distress ink at the edges. Did some stamping with Prima stamp for giving it more vintage look. Now I am arranging all my elements together and it took me a bit more time to get the desired look. I think I will get perfection by the time. This butterfly is handmade and you can find the step-by-step tutorial here on my YouTube channel. I have mentioned the link in my description box as well. I have added some piece of cardboard to give dimension to my flowers and butterfly. I've used tacky glue and heat gun for adhering all my elements. Just added some Prima Finaware art stone using matte gel and glitter flakes to complete the look of my box. I have mentioned all the supplies link in the description box. Hope you like it. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya.